Alright guys, so there is a situation with the cast iron pipe in this basement. The drain is now working, so owner decided to replace whole sewer line from inside to out till city clean out. So let's start digging. I'm gonna show you outside also. So we gotta go through under this deck and under this concrete all way down till that right there. So that's the plan, guys. Let's go back inside and start digging. Time to start digging. Digging has been started, guys, so stay with me. I'll show you whole process. Look at the pipe condition. That root was inside the pipe. Look at that, guys. That's why he need to replace those sewer line, because all the drain was now working. So this is my second day of work. We dug some yesterday and we're gonna continue it today. Right side also we gotta take some floor out, break some concrete. It's kind of a lot of work, but someone has to do that. That cast iron pipe you can see right there, blue color, is not good anymore, guys. So that's why we gotta replace. Well, digging is almost complete. It's time to take that pipe out. Everything has to go out, and when we dig out, we'll see the condition of the pipe. There is some parts still need to be a dig. I'm breaking some concrete, but still look at the pipe condition. Pipe has a hole everywhere. It's broken, fill up with the roots. So we're almost there. This is my third day of the work. Everything is ready to go out, guys. My guys working hard every single day. So today is basically we're gonna get everything out. Boom. Do it, my man, do it. You can do it. Alright guys, so this kind of quite a bit work, but almost all my old pipe is out. That's the last part, and then we gotta go outside, start digging. Look at the roots in the pipe, guys. Look at that root. Finally everything is out. Now time to go outside and start digging outside. Look at my pipe condition. Look at that, guys. So that my clay pipe full up with the roots before the cast iron pipe. Do it. Do it. You can do it. Oh, look at that roots, guys. That roots turned like a pipe shape. That's a great experience I had it. By looking this video, you can learn that, guys. You can learn a lot of stuff. Now some of the pipes still in there. We're gonna dig them out. Trying to work hard, shoveling them out and in. Doesn't matter what, but look at that. That job is crazy job, but smelly job. You gotta do it. Alright, so my guy dig outside also. There's a two crew working inside and outside. So he was so happy to find the pipe. Now we're gonna unhook that pipe and install the new pipe. So boot is already out. That's my old clay tile pipe. So we're gonna attach with this city hub, and our new pipe is right there. Seemed like a great job outside. Now, time to go inside and install all the piping inside the basement to turn their water on back. So here we are, guys, working hard, almost done. This side is done, boom, and other end is also done, boom. Basically everything is great, looks good, water flowing nice. Time to bear them back. So that's where we are so far. That's all my piping line underground. That's other bathroom going up. All right. One more bathroom to complete. Do it, my man, do it. Yes, so kind of that's the last things to do it. Boom. All done. Everything looks good to me. And time to do my floor drain. That's my floor drain. I'm gonna make level. Boom. Now, time to do the concrete. So today we're gonna complete the concrete. Concrete is done. Everything looks good. And this job has been completed. Anybody need help like that, we look in Windsor, Ontario. Call us 24/7.